Welcome everyone. Thanks for tuning in. To you subscribers, thanks for checking back, and new viewers, you guys should become subscribers. Today we're doing a one-pot slow cooker, chicken, potatoes, and vegetables, specifically spring-type vegetables. But we're gonna start with chicken. I got 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken that I've salted and pepper. I'm just gonna put those straight into the bottom of the slow cooker so that they're spread out evenly, hopefully. All right, there we go. On top of that, I've got 1 medium-sized white onion, chopped. This is 1 pound of asparagus cut up into about, that long. 1 pound of broccoli, chopped. Actually, it's about 3/4 of a pound, it's not a full pound. And 1 pound of fingerling potatoes. It's gonna be a tight fit, but that's okay. Last is 1 pound of baby carrots, chopped up nice and small. Lemon zest, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Sea salt, 1 teaspoon. This is 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I'm just going to lay it right on top. It will get down in there because we're going to also add some water here in a second. And if you're wondering, I used an emulsion blender to make that mix. This is 1 cup of just regular water. That's it. We're going to cook this on high for 4 hours. We will check in on this every now and then just to see how it's doing and give it a little mix. But high for 4 hours. We'll see you then. Hey everyone. It's been a little over 4 hours actually, about maybe 4.5 to not quite 5. But it's fine. It goes to, my slow cooker automatically goes to warm. You can see that I have been stirring this around a little bit as I promised. One thing I don't think I mentioned, that mustard olive oil mix actually had 2 tablespoons of minced garlic before I emulsified it. So it's 2 tablespoons mustard, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of garlic, just so we're aware of where the flavors are coming from. Now is the time that you would re-salt and pepper if you want to do it. Otherwise, let's scoop it up and see what we got. And you can see there's nice chunks of the chicken and it just falls apart, which is great. Potatoes. Let's get a little bit of that asparagus in there and some of those carrots. And there you go. I mean, this is really all there is to it. It's a great one-pot meal. A great way to sneak some of those green vegetables in for your kids. But that's all there is to it. I would recommend eating with a spoon. Otherwise, you know the drill. Give this a shot, make variations. I will tell you now, peas and other vegetables will work fine there. Cauliflower would work well. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video. And as always, take care. Peace.